Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston, Jamaica. And we're going to give you an update on the construction that's taking place at the roundabout. Now this is the roundabout where the Air Jamaica tail sign used to be. They have taken down the Air Jamaica sign and put up a Kingston sign, which is what we're looking at now, and a Norman Manley International Airport sign. And we're going to, it's both are on the roundabout, and they've fixed up the roundabout, very nicely done. So when we did these videos, the last video, we asked, why did they leave the sign like this, white, when you have the Montego Bay Airport sign, which I think is a very nice sign, painted in colors, and you have the Negril sign, which is probably the most popular sign in Jamaica, also nicely painted. Well, it turns out that the airport operator is actually going to paint these signs. They are going to have a competition for a design, and then the winner, they will paint the signs according to that design. So we're just giving you guys the update because to leave the sign white really would not make sense. It would be too plain. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what they plan to do with the signs. PACAL, that's the PAC Kingston Airport Limited, is actively enhancing the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston, Jamaica, through a significant capital expansion program. As part of these improvements, they are fast-tracking various rehabilitation works across different airport sections. Additionally, PACAL is organizing a competition among local artists to design and paint the two signs already erected at the airport's roundabout, making the area more visually appealing and culturally significant. Since PACAL began its operations under a 25-year concession agreement in 2019, the company has until 2044 to oversee the Norman Manley International Airport, with an option to extend for an additional 5 years. Owned by Mexican Pacific Airport Group, PACAL also oversees operations at the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay through MBJ Airports Limited. Alright, so that's the end of the update article. So the good news is they're not leaving the signs as they are going to paint them. And they are having a competition for local artists to submit their designs, which is very good because, as I said earlier, the Montego Bay Airport sign is very nice. Not the Montego Bay sign, We'll do a video showing you the two signs, but there is a sign when you enter the airport, drive into the actual airport, very nice sign. And then that's the Montego Bay Airport sign. But when you leave the airport now, there is a sign that says Montego Bay, which isn't as nice as the airport sign. And as I said, the nicest sign I think out there is the Negril sign. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.